Where's this bottom at? This
This
isn't this bottom.
No, it's Joe's bum.
I think I'm done, Mom. Can you please come over and
Where's
check?
mine?
New one.
Joe, what are you doing? Huh? What are you hiding? Joe. What do you got there, Joe? Joey.
Hey, what do you have, Mama? Mom, what do
Joey.
you have?
Joe. Joe, what are you doing? What are you doing? You helping yourself? We're all sitting here carving pumpkins. Joey turns his back to everyone, hiding something in his lap.
Oh yeah, honey. So